I'm gonna go over a smart driveway alarm with base station. I want y'all to check this out, everybody. If you've got a long driveway and you're just worried about people driving up and you just need to be alerted when people coming and going, I highly recommend something like this. So let me just kind of like go over it. Number one, it has instant app notification. It's got a 33 feet, 10 meter detection range. It's solar paneled, so it has solar powered, so you ain't gotta worry about powering it up. It's IP65 waterproof, so we know that it's waterproof there. It does have an app that you're going to have to download. So let's just go ahead and open it up. You know, right on top, you got a little user manual. I will go over that here in a minute. You've got a few little items here, a charger with a cable. What is this? Oh, that must be some sort of little mounting base. Another charger, and it looks to be USB mini. And then I think this is the base station. Yep, that's what that is, the base station there. And what this does, this just will send a signal if somebody drives by your driveway and let you know and alert you that someone's coming. It has a little solar panel on top. I don't have a long driveway, but I do like to know when someone's pulling up. It just kind of like gives me that little peace of mind that someone just pulled up in the driveway. So let me go ahead and charge this up, get it all set up, and then I'll come back and show you what you got. So let's do that now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just went ahead and installed it, and it was very easy to install. Basically, I have a pole right here beside my driveway. What, you just hear that. So you see the driveway runs across here. Basically, I put it here so the sun will shine on it, keep it charged. It's down low and it's facing out that way, and it's connected to the base inside. It keeps sending it off. So every time someone walks in my driveway or drives in it, I get this on my phone. Now, obviously, I can silence this or make it where it doesn't beep. It'll just vibrate. But look what it sends me. Anywhere in the world, I can get this notification. And inside the house, which I will show you here in a minute, there's the base that also will signal that someone's outside. So check this out. Watch when I just walk in front of it right now. So pretend like I'm walking in front of it. Y'all see that? It's probably not going to pick up Maximo there. It might pick up Maximo. You can turn the sensitivity up and down on it. Let's see if it works with him. Maximo. It didn't pick up the cat. That's crazy. But it will pick up anybody walking by or a car coming and going out of here. It picks it up pretty easy. And it actually shows, you can see on the front, it will reflect red. To set this thing up, you see driveway alarm, base station there. The app was called, it's called XSense app. You just open it there, very simple to set up. It took me maybe 5 minutes to set this whole system up. This was one of the easiest things that I've ever set up. And this is if somebody's walking. So this is if somebody's walking into my driveway, it'll set it off. And then it lets you know that the alarm's going off. So here's the base to this thing. It's inside the house. It sets off a signal when someone crosses it. I'm gonna have somebody walk across it right now, and let's see what it sounds like when it goes off. So you get two things. You see how it goes off. Now you can turn this off, there's different settings, but check it out. My phone just went off, and that just went out. How awesome is that? So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the driveway alarm. See y'all in the next video. Woo!